Welcome to InstaLegal. The topic for today's discussion is rent agreement required to be registered? Now, what basically is a rent agreement? It is a contract between an owner of a property, that is a landlord, and a person contracting to use that property, that is the tenant, for a specified tenure on the terms and conditions as agreed between the landlord and the tenant. Now, to provide legal validity to these rent agreements, a stamp duty is to be paid, and in some cases, registration as well is compulsory. So let's see what are the cases where the registration is compulsory. Now, registration of rent agreement is compulsory required for any immovable property given on rent from year to year or any term beyond 1 year. The same is required to be registered as per Section 17 of the Registration Act 1908. Now, such rental agreements are required to be properly stamped, and the stamp duty basically differs from state to state, and it also depends upon the tenure of the rental agreement between the parties. For example, in Delhi, the stamp duty which is required to be paid is around 2% of the rental value of the property. Also, at certain places, for example in Maharashtra, it is only 0.5% of the rental value. Now, if the tenure of the rental agreement increases beyond 5 years, then in Delhi, for example, the 2.2% which has been levied on any rental agreement for a period of 1 year to 5 years increase by 0.5%. So it varies from state to state, and it depends upon the tenure of the rental agreement as well between the parties. Now, what are these agreements? What are those agreements which are not required to be compulsory registered, but how would they get the legal validity? Now, the agreements which are not required to be registered basically are required to be notarized. Any immovable property given on rent for less than a year does not require registration under the Registration Act. Such agreements may be notarized, and such rental agreements are also required to be properly stamped. Now, once again, the stamp duty differs from state to state, and it also depends upon the tenure of the rental agreement and the rental amount which has been agreed between the parties. Now, what is basically the importance for such a stamp paper for rental agreements? If the rental agreement is properly stamped, the tenant will be able to obtain telephone connection on its name, book a gas, claim HRA from its company, etc. Because in mostly all the places, the proof of rental address is required to be submitted, and it will not be a valid proof if the rent agreement is not stamped. Further, for legal purposes also, if tomorrow there is any kind of a dispute between the landlord and a tenant, if it is not stamped or properly registered and the tenure of the agreement is beyond a year, then in that cases a heavy penalty may also be imposed on the parties. So it is always important to have your rent agreements on a stamp paper value which could be even starting from rupees 10 or any value beyond that. And for registration, there is usually a charge of around 500 to 1000 rupees depending from state to state. So any rent agreement entered by a tenant should always be on a stamp paper for it to obtain any legal validity. Thank you very much.